either. I don't know how Starbucks deals with that. You think that they have some kind of special Expando Wi-Fi or something?
Extra powerful.
Well, they don't have a cheap little box that's doing it.
They have some more intense equipment, huh?
Maybe they have more routers. Does it matter how many routers you've got?
No, it's the quality of the router or the cost or whatever.